about Astro-Tourism by Nishant Gor. I apologize, I haven't connected with Nishant. Nishant, maybe you can tell us a little bit where you are, where you're from, and maybe what institution you work with or school.
Hello, sir. Good morning, and good noon, good evening from different part of the world. Myself is Nishant Gor, and we are from institute known as a StarGazing India. So before we converted in a StarGazing India, we were a Kutch Amateur Astronomers Club, and now we are working in the field of science and astronomy popularization, and also in the field of astro-tourism. So astro-tourism is a thing that generally what we all are doing when we want to travel somewhere. We go, we enjoy the day, we visit different places in a daytime, and after the sunset, after watching the beautiful sunset, we come to our hotel or restaurant, and we stay there, we go to bed, and we miss one of the most important aspect if we are visiting much less light polluted areas than the beauty of the sky. So this is our primary work for now, to popularize astronomy through the tourism aspect. So who people are visiting different part of India, we have different activities in different region of India. So we teach, educate tourists who are visiting that particular location, and we share the night sky experience with them. So this is our work. This is how we work. So can I continue, or can I share my screen, or?
Share your screen, please. Yeah, just the bottom green button on your window.
Okay. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So we all are from different region of the world, and now today I'm going to talk about astro-tourism. So as I discussed in just a few seconds ago, so what we are doing is we are showing people who are not into the field of astronomy, and then they experience, wow, this is the sky, this is what we are missing. So our journey of astro-tourism starts in 2005-06, led by Mr. Narendra Gor, who is the founder and core member of our team. So our organization was formed in 1991, but the tourism aspect we have started in 2005-06. So with the help of Gujarat Tourism, it's a state tourism agency of government, and current Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. At that time, he was Chief Minister of Gujarat, so he also pushed our activities towards this tourism activity. So I would like to thank GHOU for providing this platform. I would like to thank Gujarat Tourism and PM Narendra Modi sir to promote these kind of astro-tourism activities. So here is the few memories when we have started this astro-tourism. So what we have done in the basic time, when we are new, no one know about what is this, what is astro-tourism. So we just simply set up one observation point where people are generally visiting. So we simply give them binocular to watch what is around you. This point was around 400 meter high than the land. So people are watching these kind of locations, and then we we tell them that we are going to show you the stars at night, then they're surprised. Oh, wow, what is that? Where it is you are going to do it? So all these things just begin with this type awareness of tourists, awareing the tourists that they want to enjoy this kind of activity. Then they came there, and Kutch is one of the best area with least light pollution. So here are the few ambassadors of different countries. Here, Mr. PM Narendra Modi, who is watching through the binocular. And then at the time of sunset, after the sunset, people are here to enjoy this the activity of stargazing. Our expert will guide, will share knowledge on the astronomy, different constellations, in terms of religious and what I can say in terms of local astronomy. We talk about astronomy, and they just got mesmerized by that point. So what happened? We just seed astronomy and science through all these activities. So you guys are able to see the kids around us. They all are so much interested in this activity that they want to come back to particular that place. So why astro-tourism is important aspect for science popularizing activities. So nowadays there are so many different points we can include. So first is tourists are from mega cities are never able to see the beauty of the starry nights. Here is the sample photograph from my small town GHOU, and you are able to see the light is washing out the sky. And mostly big cities, people like you all are living are experience the same thing, that you are not able to see a beautiful sky from there. So you have to move away. And when you are coming to the darker locations like Kutch or somewhere around your location, you guys can have a look at the night sky, and you just got mesmerized. Wow, what is this? What the sky is beautiful, and how many stars are there? So when the class of the people, if the visitors are 35, 40 plus age to 60 years, they are parents now. Mostly when we are talking about in Indian context, before 20 years, there was least light in our region. So what happened? They have lived in a much beautiful sky, a much beautiful night sky, I can say, and they want same experience for their children. So we also entertain them. We also seed the love for astronomy and love for science with in their kids. So if you are if the visitors are 60 plus, they can connect their local astronomy and with the sky. So we also learn from these kind of guests who visit us. So they are really exploring the different area when they are traveling to different places. So nowadays, due to these kind of activities by all our panelists, different scientists, different public speakers, so many channels like Discovery, National Geographic, YouTube, students have vast knowledge of universe, but they don't have any experience of actual observation of the sky or actual connection to the night sky, we can say. So they all are also interested in these kind of activities. Now what human nature is to and knowledge is to explore everything. They want to reach at the unknown area. They want to explore all that, and this is the basic concept how and why astronomy developed in our generations, and the human evolved due to astronomy. And now one of the different part is the beauty of location. So when we visit any place in a daytime, it will its beauty will different, and if you visit that particular place at a night time, the beauty will be different. So if we are going somewhere these kind of places, so this also will be one of the beauty of the night sky. And nowadays smartphones and DSLRs are so handy, and even smartphones can take beautiful pictures of the sky. So this is new topic added in the tourism, and that is called as astrophotography. So here is the glimpse of astrophotography. So then the religious connection of astronomy. So we can say in every religion, every belief, there is some connection with astronomy. If you take any kind of a religion on this earth, on this planet earth, it can be connected with with astronomy. So we also are connected with all these things. We also are uh, talking with their religious astronomy, their beliefs, then what modern science and what ancient science discussing in terms of universe, in terms of sky, and we call this project as a local astronomy. So universe is a mysterious place where we cannot reach, but we want to touch that glimpse. So how the dark sky will appear with where the light pollution is less. Right now, I'm going to share you a full moon sky video. A time lapse. It is a time lapse of entire night on a beautiful white run of Kutch. So here you are able to see very few stars, but as we go to the darker locations, this is the half moon sky, and every uh, region, every night has a different experience of the sky. So here is the half moon sky. The light is falling half of the way, and this is the pure no moon sky. We can do activities like zero shadow day with tourists, with school children, and when they are visiting these kind of places, we set up the activities of sky observation. People are gathered, 2 or 3 telescopes are kept there, and then the person from our team will explain the whole sky or entire night sky, and then uh, uh, the few telescopic objects will simultaneously shown through the telescopes, and we also do a journey to the universe. From the closest object appears in the sky is moon, and moon to different objects at different distances. We go to the point of Andromeda galaxy. Not every time, but and if there is no Andromeda, then we will go to any other galaxies, and we can see that we
Nishant,
yeah.
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, please.
Okay, I'm going to concluding it. So uh, there will be special activities like great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. There is a solar eclipse, so it will be a event-based tourism, astro-tourism. So we So here I'm going to conclude all things, and I'm inviting any one of our viewers that if they want to come with us at the place where we are doing all these kind of activities, we are openly welcoming them. We are going to give experience of these kind of activities. And yes, if you guys want to collaborate with us, and if you guys want to participate as a team of us, you are always welcome. If you want to come at our these kind of activity site, we will welcome you. You guys can come, you guys can join us. So here is the different locations of India where we are doing these kind of activities. This is in Konark, this is in Sarankheda, Maharashtra, this is in Chhattisgarh. So we are covering so many locations. If anyone wants to join, if anyone wants to come. And so now the time of question and answer.
Great.
If anyone have any kind of questions, we are.
Let's thank Nishant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Hey, there is one question on the chat that we should give preference for, and this, or on the question and answers, and that was during the pandemic, how did you promote astronomy activities to the public? The activities that you show were before the pandemic?
Yes, these photographs are before pandemic. And then we have done activities in the pandemic duration also, but with a limited number of visitors. So if there are I have 100 people, we have divided them into 25 batch, and then we entertain with activities. So yes, we have continuously done all these kind of activities during the pandemic too, but with limited guests. And one of the most interesting aspect was the solar eclipse of 21st June. We collaborated with a local news channel, and today on that day, almost 10,000 people observed the solar eclipse, which was going on online on YouTube and on different local channels. So if we do public program, then we can't reach that much mass. But due to technology and due to this conditions, we have reached more deeper to the general audience.
Great. Now I had a question. Are all the images you show in the background, did you take those with a cell phone camera?
No. These are from DSLR cameras, and one or two images was from cell phone camera. These all images are taken by me and my team. So we are almost 40 persons who are actively involved in all these kind of activities. They all are amateur, doing different things for earning, and they love the astronomy, and that's why we are connected with each other.
That's really beautiful, Nishant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It cheers up everybody in these interesting times to see such good work and such beautiful images and beautiful people. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, our next speaker